Public health. By now, I believe everyone has heard about it. But do you know exactly what is public health? Well, if you want to learn the true definitions, it's kind of hard because different sources say different meaning. But one thing is for sure. Public health is the art and science that promotes and protects the health of people and the communities where they can live, work, learn, and play. Still a bit confusing, right? Well, do not worry, you're coming to the right place. In these 6-minute videos, I'm going to explain to you the bigger picture of public health and what can we do to support public health. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaby. I'm a student at Elsevier Communication and Business Institute. In my class, PR23 Excellence, we have a subject called Public Speaking and Presentation Skills, which lecture by Sir Charles Bonar-Sirait. In this class, we learned that presentation materials is one of the most important essentials of presentation skills. So, as a way for me to learn these skills, I've been researching on a topic of public health, and today I will present it to you, hoping it could bring more influence and raise awareness about public health. This video will be elaborated into 3 parts. The first part is public health in general, the second part is my research on public health, and the third part is conclusion. Alright then, let's get started. First part, public health in general. At the beginning of this video, I have mentioned the short definition of public health. But still, it's kind of confusing, right? Well, let me simplify with examples. While a doctor treats people who are sick, public health has a role to prevent people from getting sick or injured in the first place. So public health promotes wellness by encouraging healthy behaviors. Public health is everywhere. Everything, every rule and regulation in this world that aims for the sake of our health and safety is connected with public health. It has an important role of improving our quality of life. Now, what are the examples of public health? There are so many. Like the rule of wearing seatbelts that has become a common law for cars in Sweden since 1958. As time goes by, other countries start to follow and saves millions of lives. Or everyone who supports vaccinations for children and adults to prevent the spread of a disease like COVID-19 vaccine or polio vaccine. Last but not least, everyone who conducts scientific research that educates people about health. They are part of public health too. It can mean educating people about the risk of tobacco and alcohol, setting safety standards to protect workers, developing school nutrition programs to ensure kids have access to healthy food, and the pre-education knowledge for healthy babies and moms. What can we do to support public health? The simplest way is to follow the safety guidelines made by professionals such as traffic rules. You can also help raise awareness about a certain topic of health, such as preventing drug use, promoting access to contraceptions and education to prevent sexually transmitted diseases, and so many more. As a way to be more involved in raising awareness about public health, I and my friends have decided to conduct a scientific research about the health of mothers and newborn babies, which I will discuss in the second part of this video. Second part, my research on public health. My team decided to research the topic of mother and child health. To be more specific, our research will focus on the importance of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is one of the issues that has occurred for so long in Indonesia. Did you know that only 37.5% of mothers in Indonesia provide exclusive breastfeeding for their newborn babies in their first 6 months? Although the fact that breastfeeding is very important for newborn babies, we can see that there is still a lack of awareness and guidance for new mothers in Indonesia. Education and awareness about breastfeeding can come from many sources. One of them is social media like at mamafirst.co account at Instagram. Mamafirst.co aims to educate mothers about pregnancy, mothers and child health, and breastfeeding. As communication students, we will research the communication perspective, So, we will analyze the persuasive communication of @mamafirst.co Instagram account on Instagram in raising awareness about breastfeeding and how it affects their audiences. Our research methods will be using interviews, observation, and a literature study. On November 13th, we plan to interview 4 representatives of mamafirst.co Instagram account audiences, which is 2 new mothers from age 18 to 28 and 2 new mothers from age 29 to 39. Third part, conclusion. Public health is all of us. It surrounds us and it has an important role, which is to improve the quality of life. Public health works to track disease outbreaks, prevent injuries, and shed light on why some of us are more likely to suffer from poor health than others. The easiest ways for us to support public health is to follow professionals' health protocols, such as wearing a mask in this pandemic and simply taking a vaccine. Because whether you're realizing or not, public health has saved millions of lives and longer our life expectancy. As a way to promote public health, my team decided to make a scientific research regarding the topic of mother and child health, which focus on breastfeeding. We will analyze an Instagram account @mamafirst.co to determine their persuasive communication on raising awareness about breastfeeding and how it affects their audiences. Well, I hope you learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye!